Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is MCPs made easy. I'm hopefully going to show you how to install any MCP in 5 minutes. All you need is Node.js. Now this is a lesson that I've taken from my Skool community. If you want to join the Skool community, it'll be the first link in the description. I'm trying to build something that will allow anyone to code at any time. However, because we're on a time schedule of 5 minutes, let's just get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to quit out the Claude app. I'm going to install the MCP on the Claude app. However, what I'm showing you works with Klein, works with Cursor, works with absolutely everything. Okay, so the only thing you need is Node.js. That's literally it. Once you've got Node.js, right, you should also have something called MPX. MPX is basically, it's included with NPM version 5.2 and above, and it allows you to execute Node.js packages without installing them globally. So what does that actually mean? Instead of downloading the MCP onto your computer, you don't actually need to do that. In order to use the Model Context Protocol, all you need to do is go on Google, type in Model Context Protocol, right? And then go on the official Model Context Protocol website, which is, okay, it's modelcontextprotocol.io, right? This will take you to this page here. This is the first page, the introduction. Literally, and I can't believe how easy this actually is, all you have to do is click on for Claude desktop users, scroll down a little bit, and then if you're on Mac, use this. If you're on Windows, use this, right? So I'm on Windows, so I'm going to copy this, okay? And I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Just follow me, guys. Trust me. This will be worth it. This will make MCPs easy for you. Store this template for all my MCPs that I'm going to ask you to create. Just say, okay, I understand. Okay, so it understands. Let's find an MCP that we want to install. So let's just go to Claude. Let's see what we've got now, just so I'm not installing the same one. So File, Settings, Developer. Let's install the Brave MCP, right? So you want to go on Google, type in Brave MCP. Now there are kind of two types of MCPs, right? Just so you know, I'll just talk about this quickly. There are these MCPs like the Bright Data MCP, which is a third-party API MCP. These are really good for adding context to your to Klein or whatever. And then the other type is like the behavioral one, like sequential thinking MCP or Taskmaster MCP, right? In today's video, we're going to be adding Brave MCP, okay? Because I already have the Bright Data MCP, I already have sequential thinking, etc. So let's just add the Brave MCP as an example. So we'll click here, and then all you do is you scroll down and you find this, right? Where it says MPX, and then gives you an example, okay? So we'll copy this, we'll go over here, we'll say, give me the JSON for this. So we'll add that like that, right? And then we'll go on Brave, because we need our API key. I will just say my API key is, and then I'll paste it, but I won't show that. Okay, whatever, I'll just delete this API key at the end. So we now have this JSON, right? So now all we do is we go to File, Settings, Developer, Edit Config, double click this, and then we just add this here, right? It's actually pretty damn easy. So, because I don't know how to do JSON, etc., I'm just going to say just add this to my JSON file, and then I'm going to paste my entire JSON file like this, right? This is just a copy and paste of this. Okay, so I then copied that and put it back into the Claude desktop underscore JSON, right? So then we quit out of here, we reopen Claude, and then if there's no errors here to do with the one that we just installed, which there aren't, it should work. So File, Settings, Developer. For some reason, file system has a problem, which is weird. But Brave Search is apparently running, right? So let's say, please test the Brave Search MCP. Remember, I haven't added any files to my computer at all. This is all just a natural process, right? It's using MPX. You can see it actually works. And that's it, guys. Literally, that's all you have to do. There's no... I made it a little bit more complicated than it needed to be, just because I personally didn't fully understand it. So let's just summarize this. All you need is Node, right? And then you need the JSON template for your system, right? From model context protocol.io. So whether that be Linux or Windows, right? So you literally just need to grab this or grab this depending on what you're on. Once you've got that JSON, the only other thing you need is the JSON template for the MCP that you're trying to install. And it also that MCP has to be on MPX, right? Once you've satisfied these three things, all you do is you put this JSON, right, the template from the MCP that you're trying to install with MPX into your Claude settings.json folder, and then you're done. That's literally all you have to do, right? It's that simple, it's that easy. You can do the same thing with Klein. If I go to installed here, let's just remove Brave Search. So let's just delete this. I'm going to regret this in a minute, I'm sure, and then we'll configure MCP servers. So currently there's no Brave MCP. All I've done is asked ChatGPT to do the same thing, but for my client settings.json folder. Okay, so if you're curious, the way that I do this, by the way, without code is you need to delete these last two curly brackets, right? And then under this curly bracket, you put comma, and then you paste the new object, right? That's all you actually have to do. And then you can see there are two at the bottom here. So now when I press save here, you should see that this works. Okay, so it says NOEnt. So actually the Bright Data MCP thing does have something that explains npx NOEnt. This occurs when your system cannot find the npx command to fix it, blah, blah, blah. So probably what's happened is there's some kind of problem with the command. Okay, so the problem here is, guys, is the way that the command is written, okay? The command actually has to be Command.exe, and the arg has to be npx, okay? So for some reason, this gets messed up. This is actually potentially wrong, depending on your system. Or maybe it's wrong for Klein, but it's not wrong for the Claude desktop app. So that's basically it, guys. You just need to learn how to get these things running quickly. As I showed in this video, you can do it in literally 5 minutes, but I went in a little bit more detail just so everyone knows exactly what they're doing. I'm going to leave the video there, guys. This is the simplest and easiest way to understand MCPs. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. Check out the Skool community, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.